Good morning, friends. So today is expiry for Nifty, and as we stand today, the key levels that we need to watch out for are, to start with, it looks like it's going to be a gap down. So 24,245 will hold key. If market is not able to hold 24,245, 24,215, then there is every danger that market can go back and fill the gap at 24,051, which it gapped up above yesterday. So if the global markets continue to be weak, we can expect new fresh lows. This structure that Nifty is forming is pretty good, but we don't know, it can easily break down as well. This kind of a rectangle which is formed here, if you see, right? So this rectangle can break down or break up. And more importantly, on daily chart, if you look at the candle, it's an inside candle. So below 22,184, that is yesterday's low, we can crack 422 points down. That is that will take us close to 23,600 something. Yeah? So basically, if the Nifty crosses the day yesterday's high, then probability of up move is much higher. But usually IBs form in the direction in which the trend was, and so we can expect a break of the low as well, right? So that would be a good trade to do. And on the upside, we need to wait for 24,348 to be cleared and also tested to make sure that we get the consolidation in this area, then positive candlestick pattern, and then we get 24,406, 24,480, and this movement could be very fast because there is obviously no resistance here. So it's going to be an exciting day. Let's hope that market does not go range bound and instead provides us a very good way or a move either up or down. It doesn't matter for us. We're open for both sides, and that's my strategy for today. What about yours? I hope you are deriving value out of this, and thank you very much for joining, and please do join me live. Today we'll start a little bit later at around 11 o'clock. Let's see, maybe 10:30. 10:30 is good. Yeah. Okay, so thank you very much for joining in. Have a great day. Bye-bye.